If your laptop isn't turning on properly and keeps restarting or showing that diagonally your PC screen again and again, don't worry. Here is a simple method that might just fix it. First, press and hold the power button to force shut down your laptop. Now, turn it back on. And as soon as you see the company logo, like Dell, HP, Lenovo, press and hold the power button again to force shut it down. Do this 2 to 3 times. Yeah, I know it feels weird, but trust me, this is how we trigger Windows recovery mode. After the 3rd time, let the system boot normally. This time, Windows will try to repair itself and then show you the advanced options screen. Once you're there, click on advanced options, then go to troubleshoot and again tap on advanced options. Now select uninstall updates. You'll see 2 choices here. One is uninstall quality update and the other is uninstall feature update. Start with the quality update. Click on it and let the system do its thing. It might take a few minutes. Once it's done, try restart your laptop. In my case, that's all it took. It worked perfectly. But if it doesn't work for you, no worries. Just go back and this time choose uninstall feature update instead. That usually fixes deeper update issues. Oh, and here's a bonus tip. If you've got any external hard drives or storage devices plugged in, especially ones that are unallocated or offline, Windows might get confused during boot and keep trying to repair. So before you power on your laptop, just unplug any external storage to avoid that headache. And that's it for today's video. If this helped you out or you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and show some love to the channel. Catch you in the next one. Peace.